Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Skype and signing in. This connects your identity to contacts. Once logged in, make sure you can see the search bar and that your profile is set. Now, click the search field and type the person's name, email, or Skype ID. This narrows results quickly. You do this so Skype can match multiple accounts and show accurate profiles. If you plan a call, verify audio and video permissions now before proceeding to requests. Once you see search results, scan them carefully. Skype shows similar names, so confirm with email or profile details. Click the best match to open a preview where you can view status, mutual contacts, and recent profile info. This helps avoid adding the wrong person. Next, choose the Add Contact or Send Request button. You want to include a brief message explaining who you are. This increases acceptance odds and avoids confusion when their inbox is full. After composing a short intro, tap Send Request. This creates a pending contact that they must accept. Once sent, check the requests or pending list to confirm delivery and follow up if needed. If the person doesn't appear, make sure your spelling and ID are exact, try searching by email or phone, or ask them to send you a direct link. If problems persist, sign out and back in or update Skype to resolve sync issues. These steps clear stale results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.